Welcome to the Netstar OBDII GPS Vehicle Tracker Installer Guide Plug and Play. In this video, we'll walk you through how to quickly and easily set up your tracker so you can start monitoring your vehicle's performance and location. Start by locating your vehicle's OBDII port, which is typically under the dashboard near the steering wheel. Refer to your vehicle's manual if you need help finding it. Now take the OBDII tracker and plug it into the OBDII port. The tracker is now in place and functioning. Finally, test the setup by logging into the My Netstar app and configuring the device using the on-screen prompts. And that's it. Your Netstar OBDII GPS vehicle tracker is now ready to use. Enjoy peace of mind with real-time insights into your vehicle. Contact us today to learn more.